Scotland's capital is not just the home of Hogmanay. We celebrate Chinese New Year too. Every year, the celebrations have gotten bigger and bigger. This year, of course, we will celebrate the arrival of the Year of the Ox in a different way. And it isn't just any ox. It is the famous Scottish Highland Coo. Welcome to the Year of the Coo. A new, different year of online events, celebrations, and socially distant walks and installations. The same inspiring bridge between Scottish and Chinese people and culture, just like before. This year, we will enjoy Chinese New Year safely at home in Edinburgh. But soon we will meet again. Edinburgh misses you.
大家好，我在爱丁堡，祝大家新年快乐，牛年大吉。
你好，新年快乐，恭喜发财。
新年快乐，祝大家牛年牛气冲天。
新年快乐，恭喜发财。
牛年快乐，恭喜发财。
爱丁堡祝大家新年快乐，万事如意，大吉大利，吃好喝好。
新年快乐 Happy New Year from Edinburgh, Scotland.
Happy New Year from Edinburgh.